guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing videos again. I know it's been a long time again. Sorry. I am doing a fun video today because I just recently got something that I have been very curious about. Since I've been a false lash wearer, I've always been curious about false eyelash applicators. I have been looking online everywhere for all the false eyelash applicators out there, and they vary from price to $30 to as low as $3 or $4. Why are some of them so expensive? So I didn't buy an expensive one, I bought a very inexpensive one, and I'm going to show you why it is amazing for applying your eyelashes. The false eyelash applicator that I purchased was from Studio 35 Beauty, which if you guys are Walgreens people, you'll know this is from Walgreens. I think this is their personal line. So this is the packaging. I, of course, opened it up right away and I was like, I'm gonna put false eyelashes on. Lately, I have not been wearing false eyelashes because it is such a pain to try to put them on. If you know the struggle, you know the struggle. I have been always wondering about these little things, like, are they worth anything? Are they really gonna help me put my eyelashes on? I put them on and I was amazed. It was like a whole new world opened up and all the angels were singing and it was amazing. When I put those on, I was like, where has this been all my life? So this is the one that I have, is from the Studio 35 Beauty, and it is really good. I think I paid $4 for it, which is amazing because I was looking at different ones and they were like $30, $40 maybe even. I was like, what? For an eyelash applicator that I didn't even know if it was going to work? No. I tried one of these and guys, you don't need to buy anything else. This is actually a very hefty little thing. If it's not metal, it's a very hard plastic, but it feels very nice for what you're paying for. Oh my gosh, it's really nice. Really easy to squeeze and use. It's a nice size. These little things, I've seen where they've been longer, but this works really well because you don't want it to be taking on the entire lash and then you're like, oh, I can't get it. I am false eyelashless right now, so I can show you guys, hopefully, if it works on video, how easy it is to apply an eyelash with this false eyelash applicator. And you guys will see how awesome it is and how you need this tool, especially if you're a makeup artist. I'm so excited I got this because I have a wedding this weekend and it is going to make my life so much easier. Let's get to the kind of demo experimentation part, okay? Of course, before I apply eyelashes, I always curl them. They're a little bit curled. My eyelashes are curled, and believe it or not, I do not have mascara on. You guys will see in a future video why my eyelashes have been growing like crazy and they're dark on their own. That's another cool thing you'll have to look forward to. I'm going to take the new Bounce Lashes in Australian Mist. These are such a beautiful pair that are very natural and you can wear them every day. I mean, natural. I don't know. False eyelashes aren't really natural, but they look natural according to me. This takes intense concentration. Okay, so I'm going to use the House of Lashes clear lash adhesive. I use it for me, for my clients. It's an amazing lash glue, like cement. Here we go, we're gonna put it in the eyelash applicator. And you kind of have to line, oh gosh, come on now. You kind of have to line it up with the curve of the band, like that, where it's kind of almost hugging the band. You want to get as close to it as you can. In the middle part, this looks about like it's ready to plop on. And this really helps it get as close to the lash line as possible. Here we go. Now you're gonna put it like this. Get it really close. Oh my gosh. Oops, it moved. See, I told you guys this is going to be a trial and error. Okay. As close to the lash line as possible. Let go. So it's already laid. That just helps get the initial lay down of it. If that makes any sense. Then you tuck corners in. La-di-da-di-da. Okay, so the lash is on, and that was super easy. Ignoring the part where I did not apply it the best, but then I tried again and it worked. So you want to give yourself a little bit of playtime. When you're not doing a video, it works really well. The initial first lay down of it really worked well with using the tool. If I didn't have the tool, it would be everywhere. This does the perfect placement of the middle so that you can tuck in the two sides. Right here, you can see as close to the lash line as possible. And I feel like if I was doing it on my own, it really does not get that perfect. Like, it really doesn't. So this is really applied amazingly and super easy with this tool. I am blown away by how easy it is. So I'm gonna do the other eye and hopefully it works a little bit better. We're gonna apply the next lash, which seems to always work better for me, is the right eye. And you're gonna wanna come from above, which I think is really important to remember. And bam! That put it right in the middle. Ugh. You probably do want to have tweezers, however. This tool might work to push it in. Huh. I wonder if that's why that was there. So this thing has like this little paddle part at the end, which I feel like might be for the purpose of pushing in the lashes. Or that's just how I'm using it, but I think that might be it because it makes sense. And there you go. Eyelashes slayed perfectly with this tool. I don't know if any other tools work the same way. I think it basically has the same kind of idea, but for $4, you just get it at Walgreens. I mean, pick it up. It will probably get rid of my eyelash anxiety because I really did not like putting on eyelashes because it was such a pain. But this really helped get it right to that lash line. It's like right up to as close to the lash line as you can get. I mean, that is amazing. What a cool thing to have to apply eyelashes. I think it's really, really important. If you really need to learn how to put your eyelashes on, this is a great way, especially for beginners. If I would have had this as a beginner putting on my eyelashes, oh my gosh, it would have made my life so much easier. So that was a quick little hack to show you how easy it is to apply false eyelashes with a false eyelash applicator. It is amazing. I can't believe I did not know about it, and I'm glad that I took a risk and spent the $4 to get an eyelash applicator. So I really don't think you need anything too expensive to do this. It's so easy, so affordable, and especially if you're a makeup artist, I think it's really important to be able to lay on those eyelashes perfectly. I think this tool is going to be very, very handy to have in my kit and also in my personal collection. You would just use your alcohol to sanitize it. 70% is what I use for my kit. Super easy little tool to have in your kit and your personal life. I'm so amazed and so happy that I found this little thing. It makes my life so much easier. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, and if it was a hack that you found helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. That always helps me out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified when I upload. All the links to my social media will be linked down below for you guys. And if you're wondering about my vlogs, our new vlog channel is Our Young Family, and it will be linked down below for you guys. Also, everything's linked down below for you guys. Put down in the comments what your favorite way to apply false eyelashes is. I would love to hear if you guys have any other suggestions. And if you've tried a false eyelash applicator, has it worked for you? Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, stay lustrous.